clear, easy to read. Now, let's talk about what to remove. Cute words like beautiful, charming, lovely, amazing, cozy, stunning. These words sound nice, but they do not help the guest make a decision. Instead, use real details that matter. And here are some good versus bad examples. Bad is beautiful, cozy retreat. And a better version of that is one-bedroom apartment with parking near station. Another bad example is lovely home away from home. And a better version is three-bedroom family house with garden. You can see the difference. The better titles are clearer, stronger, and easier to search. And now let me show you how to check your own title. For that, open your listing. So once you logged into Airbnb from your computer, click on switch to hosting here, and then click on listings here at the top. And then on the left-hand side, the second option is title. This is where you can edit your title. Look at the first words of the title your listing has and ask yourself, can a guest understand this in 2 seconds? Does it say what type of place it is? Does it mention the best feature? Does it help someone choose me over another listing? And if the answer is no, rewrite it. And when rewriting your title, focus on the guest who is most likely to book your place. If you get families, mention things like garden, parking, family friendly, near park. And if you get business guests, mention things like Wi-Fi, workspace, quiet, near city center. And if you get longer stays or contractors, mention things like parking, washer, kitchen, long stay. And your title should match the ideal guest for your property. And another very important rule is do not stuff too many words into the title. Keep it clean. One strong feature is better than 5 weak ones. And the title should be easy to read on mobile because that is where most people will see it. And to sum up, before you save your title, check this. Does it say what the place is? Does it show the best feature? Does it include a useful location? Is it simple to read? And would a normal guest understand it fast? If yes, your title is much stronger. Now I want you to go and rewrite your title using this simple formula. And if you want, put your old title and new title in the comments. I'll tell you which one is better. And if you want more no-nonsense Airbnb advice that actually helps you get bookings, please subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.